guys, welcome back to my channel, Natural Roxy here. So today I have something a little different. I am showing you guys the Radiance Spin-Care System. It has four interchangeable accessories. It has the facial exfoliation brush. It has the large body cleansing brush, the facial cleaning brush, and the Pone Stone brush. If I'm saying that wrong and botching it, sorry. So this is an everyday system. It is from Duvolle, which is a company that you can get different products off of. I'll link everything down below. So this is the spinning hand brush. I'm going to be going in with my face cleaner that I like to use every day. This facial cleansing brush I'm using is really soft. I did not use the facial exfoliation brush because I did already exfoliate my face in the week and I don't want to keep exfoliating. I feel like that's been breaking me out, or it's been me wearing my mask maybe 10 hours a day or more. But I'm working on it. But this brush has been so helpful, guys. Like, it's soft, it's nice to the skin. It doesn't make my face feel harsh after using it. You know, sometimes when you go into something you want to use every day, it feels harsh. It doesn't feel that way at all. I really have been enjoying this brush, and I've been using this brush for a couple of weeks. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, hi guys. If you know me, I like to try products out before I talk about it on my channel because it's just important to me. I just don't want to show you something and it doesn't feel right for me. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But this really does work. This system here is for people who are beginning, you know, trying to exfoliate their face. That's their first time ever using exfoliation on their body, on their face. This is just a system that is good for you. As you can see, it does remove the dirt. I really like it. It's a slow spin, which is nice. I do wish it had 3 different spinners on it just to make it a little faster, but it's okay. I really do still like this spinning system. It's really good. So I don't know, guys, it's just crazy, my face. Anyway, now we're gonna go into the body brush, and this is the large body cleansing brush, which I really like. It is very soft to the skin. I have been having issues lately with my eczema, and so I'm going in with my Aveeno. This is just soothing to my skin lately. Having on my clothes all day is just really irritating. So I like the fact that this brush will softly exfoliate my skin every day instead of me using my exfoliating hand glove. I've been using that and I just was noticing that it wasn't good for me. So when they reached out to me to use this brush, I was like, okay, let me see. And yes, guys, I do like this body brush. It's just an everyday soft exfoliation brush. So if you guys want to try this brush out, I do have a coupon code for you guys for 70%. This brush is worth $95, which is amazing to get 70% off, so you guys can try it out. I do highly recommend it because if you just want to use an exfoliating brush on your skin every day without it being harsh to your skin, this is it. This is for you guys, and I really like it because sometimes I don't want to use my glove scrub. I really don't. And I think it's too harsh, but this was good for me. So now I'm going to go in with my foot, and like to use this scrub every day. But because I have the stone, I was like, easy, accessible for cleaning off these tired feet that I have. And sometimes they can be rough. Yes, they do be rough. And I like the stone. It was easy. It was nice to exfoliate the bottom of my foot with. Just a good everyday stone, and it's not too hard for your feet at all. So, hi guys, I do recommend the system. If you guys want to try it out, I'll leave a link down below for the Roxxy 70% off for you guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.